Hi guys, welcome to Magic Chicken. So we opened in September 2022. We're just rooting ourselves here now in Brooklyn Heights, getting to know the neighborhood and just letting everybody know that we're here. So our popular item here is our signature chicken, which is thinly floured and hand brushed individually with our sour garlic or our spicy garlic sauce. Don't come here. I'm kidding. We do have vegetarian chicken, our Brussels sprouts, our bestseller, the avocado salad. It's all about the avocados here. So the decor is very rustic. Everything is handcrafted. Perfect place to have some beer, some chicken. Come join us.